there's really not much need for you as you travel to stop into laundromats other than checking out what they're doing and how they're doing it and how they may be better at something you need to do in your store. In my case, I notice roof penetrations. When I see those candy cane spouts coming through the roofs of buildings, I always stop. And this particular location over my shoulder used to be a laundromat here in MOAB, Utah, the four-wheel drive capital of the United States. And now they only do property management laundry. So that's pretty telling. As this town evolves and no longer really needs laundromats, it needs more property management, meaning for hotels and motels. Interesting. More money for us and more cash for our laundries. Here's another great example. Not much gets past me. As I'm driving by on our way to our family ski trip in Aspen, I see more roof penetrations. And on this prime location with a roundabout driveway right here in downtown Moab, they're installing a brand new laundromat. Now, interestingly, when I look for laundromats in this small town of Moab, Utah, which is most famous for four-wheeling, I noticed that Siri only shows me 5 or 6 laundries in the whole town, and one of them says it's permanently closed. Let's see what's going on here. The equipment inside is used equipment and looks as though they've pulled it from another location. It could even be the store across the street. But this is definitely new penetrations in the floor. They're putting in new troughs for drainage, and this is going to be a brand new laundromat here in downtown Moab. Really interesting stuff that's happening here in Moab. Gentrification in my eyes, because the old tiny little laundromats are leaving. This one is cropping up, and some of the existing laundromats are totally shutting down their doors to the public because there's just not enough room for them, and they're instead servicing the brand new massive hotel industry. As you drive through town, it only takes maybe 10 or 15 minutes to hit one end of town to the other, but I'm seeing dozens of new hotels, and those are going to need to be serviced. I'd keep the laundromat open to the public. Why not? It's actually insane here, the amount of construction. We've been driving through Moab for years, the family and I, and it seems like every year there's 10 new hotels. I guess it's a summer thing, but we never come through here in the summertime. But it's odd how these dichotomies affect the laundromat business, and it's something that people don't think about. Yet another massive corporate hotel here. I lost count at 10, and they're still building these places. Crazy. Maybe we're in the wrong business. I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.